talked about it.
What's up, Anthony Silva, Vatos Y Viclas magazine, 2023 Colorado Motorcycle Expo. Stay tuned. La Raza Run, August 26th, 2023 is the next event. Stay tuned for all the info.
My name is Eddie Atencio. I'm from Las Vegas, New Mexico. I'm the owner of 505 Baggers, 505 Viclas out of Las Vegas, New Mexico. This is my son's 2009 Heritage Softail bike. We built together. It's basically all Dirty Bird concepts, parts. John Show. My son wanted to use all his parts, so we put all his parts on this Softail. Stretched fender, stretched tank, the lowers. We did the stretched rear fender, and of course the upswept fishtails. Has a 26-inch front rim, and everything was designed by my son. Like, that was his creation. That's what he wanted. So I just made it happen. And I do all the paint, all the fabbing, everything that we needed to do on the bike. And we're here today at the Denver Expo, Colorado Super Show, and we're having a good time. It's been great. Meeting a lot of new people, not a lot of builders that are out from all the areas and stuff. But I guess we're the only ones from New Mexico, so I'm pretty proud of that. So I just want to give a quick just little history, and thank you very much for showing up.
Here at the Motorcycle Expo, having a good time.
Huh?
Wear one of our kickers, please.
Yeah.
That white from underneath.
Hey there, I'm Stella. I'm joining the Colorado Motorcycle Expo. This is my business. I run Goddess Skin. We do all kinds of fun leather things. We make things for all sizes, all genders, and we are local Denver. I just started out, so I'm doing everything myself at this point and just trying to grow my business the best I can. So come support, help out.
Hi, this is Rick. I go by the Hat King from Denver, Colorado. I'm over here with Vatos Y Viclas at the Colorado Motorcycle Expo. As you see, there's all kinds of bikes. This is my business. I sell purses, jewelry, custom hats like the one I'm wearing. And we just here supporting them. Everyone come down. I mean, there's a lot of good people. Vatos Y Viclas at the Colorado Motorcycle Expo.
And you're on Facebook or Instagram?
I'm on Facebook under Ricky J. Rivera, Instagram artistic _ways, and Twitter artistic ways. You know, you can find me on there anywhere, anytime I respond, everything.
All right.
Hello, this is Brian Aquafresca with Lowrider magazine, Del Rio Marketing, my daughter Danielle. We're here at the Colorado Motorcycle Expo. We're in the Vicla portion of the show. We came to check it out this year to see what the Vicla scene is all about. We're excited to be here with Beto Espinosa and his team. We're here promoting the Lowrider Tour. We've got 12 tour events this year all across the United States, and we hope you guys will join us. It's been a great show. We've had a good time. It's a little cold and snowy outside, but we traveled out here. We drove all the way from California and came out here to check out the scene and see what it's all about.
what's your name?
Sweets.
Sweet.
Outfighters.
Tony,
All right, where are you guys out of?
Colorado.
All right, you come to the expos a lot?
It's my first time. It's a great time.
Oh, really?
Yep.
That's great.
This is my third time here.
Having a lot of fun. It's a great place.
A lot of
Yeah.
bikes, huh? A lot of
Oh,
parts.
yeah.
Yeah.
Find everything you need?
Yep. Great time.
And a lot of Jesus.
Yeah, great.
Amen. Amen. A lot of fun.
Thank you.
Yeah.
How's it going? Sucio, state to state. Been doing this for 3-4 years. I was a Harley Davidson technician is what I started from. And yeah, it's a brand, so we ride state to state. You know, this is what we have out here. We're out here in Denver, Colorado, Motorcycle Show Expo, you know. Check out the brand at Sucio State to State or Sucio State to State on Instagram. Hit us up.
What up, everybody? Having fun at the Colorado Motorcycle Expo. Repping my boy right here. Y'all should come down. It's a blast. We're downstairs. There's shit going on upstairs. You should definitely come down. Salud.
And I feel I wanna go to heaven when she walks through my door. Oh, I don't know. No, I don't know. Baby, oh,
What's your name?
Joe,
Where you out of?
Monte.
Okay, you flew out here, huh?
Yeah, we flew out here to be with Vatos Y Viclas, oh boy. Awesome show, man.
Yeah. Did you see the stage?
Oh, dude, it was badass, bro.
Marisol and Kid Frost. they
Kiss
put it
Frost,
down, huh?
he brought it down, huh?
Yeah.
That was awesome.
You got a bike too, huh?
Oh yeah,
What do you got?
I got a Vicla just like that one right there.
Oh yeah.
I got a Road King and a CVO.
Oh okay.
Yeah.
How long you've known about Vatos Y Viclas?
For a long while, bro. Yeah. For a long while. So it's all about the fucking cultura, you know what I mean?
Yeah. It's a little bit snowy out here when you got here, huh?
A little bit cold, homie, from where I come from.
Yeah. All right. Thanks for showing up, man.
Gracias, bro, for inviting
All right.
us. Thank you.
All right.
Well.
You ready to get up on stage?
I'm ready to sing for all y'all.
All right.
Albuquerque. I don't know Albuquerque, like New Mexico.
Next up we have Margarita. She's wearing a silver suit suit. Come on up to the stage, Margarita. All right, next up we have Isaac. Let's bring it. 5 years. 5 years. He's been sporting a zoot suit for 5 years and going strong. We have more. Again, this family, it goes on and on and on. You ready for the next? Ready, guys. Oh, sorry.
Marisol Flores!
Que viva la raza! We're gonna have some fun. We're gonna do some cumbia. I'm gonna sing some mariachi for you guys. I love representing my culture. So here's a little bit of cumbia for you ladies that love to do the washing machine and all the fun cumbia dances with me. Hit it. Eso. No te asombres si te digo mi corazón, por el fuego de tus lindos ojos negros, alumbrado en el camino de otro amor, que mensaje a ti adorarme tiernamente, que a tu lado como nunca me sentí, y por esas cosas raras de la vida, sin el beso de tu boca yo perdí.
Amor de mis amores, por ti, aunque me insistes, que no puedo consolarme sin poderte contemplar.
Te gano con decir que un hombre cambió mi suerte, segura de mí, que nada sepa mi sufrir.
Amor de mis amores, si dejaste de quererme, no hay cuidado que la gente de eso no se enterará.
Que gano con decir que un hombre cambió mi suerte, segura de mí, que nada sepa mi sufrir. Hello. Hey, 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 hey. Come on, ladies, dance. No te asombres si te digo lo que fuiste, un ingrato con mi pobre corazón, porque el no más por tu amor. Mira cómo ando muy bien, cuidado en la borrachera y a la televisión. Mi vida, habiendo una herida en mi corazón. Tú, solo tú, eres causa de todo mi llanto, de mi desencanto y desesperación.
Ladies and gentlemen, you better put your damn hands together, Denver, Colorado, for the one, the only,
I've been on the radio. Tomorrow you can catch us. Shout out to the homie Tripp. Yo.
Yeah, right behind you.
Tripp.
Right behind you.
Shout out to Tripp, man. This guy, man, he been helping me a lot, man. Especially with my radio show. This guy I have to call for advice, and man, Tripp's on it, man. Shout out to Tripp. Because without Tripp, man, I'm telling you, man, maybe none of this would have been going down, y'all. So give it up for Tripp one time. We know the real. Shout out to Beto. You know what I mean? Robert Espinosa. Y'all know. So you ready?
Ready.
We got a brand new album coming out. We just got signed to Warner Brothers. Yo, the album's called Within Atlantic. We gonna drop a couple cuts from it. So man, get down. Hey man, give me a water. Give me a water, Joe.
Here we come. This is for la raza.
For my raza. Turn it up, man. I know it goes louder than that. That's right, Panic. I want y'all to feel it. My music knocks a little bit different. Watch this. Here we go now. Come on. Man, here we come now. This is for my raza. People love the sun. Check it. This goes out until we're done. I was the first Chicano you saw on MTV, representing East Coast for the world to see. Before me, you never heard Spanish on the radio. Mexican flags and lowriders in the video. Our images of Aztec solidarios. Beautiful people just living life in the barrio. Conexiones with thugs and ladrones. 3 decades of canciones para la plebe. Niño de nieve, born with the fighting spirit. And I'ma say it again so you can hear it. This is for painted in your memory. And all I want is for my people to remember when they're ready. Come on. We knock a little bit different. For my raza. Check it. This goes out to every Cheyenne and Apache, Cherokee, Inca, Maya, Comanche, Navajo, Aztec, the people of the sun. What? Frost. What?
It's your dead homie, fool. I seen you doing your show.
What's cracking?
I wanna hear a song, homie.
What you wanna hear, dog?
I wanna hear No Sunshine.
What is time? Time is when a man is trying to make time with your woman, but you doing time behind bars and your time is standing still. Your frost.
Check it.
Speak for real, you know what I'm saying?
Time. Slip through the hourglass. Through night and day, and I watch as the games people play. Many like do unto others, they split. And if you can't back up what you say, then you ain't shit. Yo, I see the manifestations of the street, so I can manifest what I see on a drum beat. Like just last night or whatever, man, I watched these two Vatos get in the crazy fight, and one of them was quick to pull the knife. And yo, we stabbed him in the heart, and now he's doing life in prison at the age of 21. Man stranded on death row, cause he couldn't let go. Caught in the web of violence. Man, they wrote deep when they creep and they moved in silence of the land. Man, he was a down ass Vato, a tattooed teardrop as the iron gate slam. Ain't no sunshine. 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 Man, anytime, anytime, anytime. Hey, 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 hey. Ain't no sunshine. Ain't no sunshine. Ain't no sunshine. Ain't no sunshine. Yo, anytime. Damn, damn, ain't that a shame? You lost, so pay the cost. Shouldn't have played the game, should've listened to the fraud when I was trying to come across to you. But now you didn't think, motherfucker. You just keep getting yourself more deep into your sink. So now there's no one else to think but yourself. So go ahead and take a bow for a job well done, but you'll never see the day of the sunshine or the fun times. Just the old days and your old ass ways, man, corrupted, wicked. Man, you was out there doing dirt instead of just kicking it. Pow, pow, bang, bang, all that noise, yeah. Man, you and all your homeboys should take the time and read between the lines, cause of jail, boo. It just ain't no sunshine, no. Ain't no sunshine. 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 Man, anytime, anytime, anytime. Hey, 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 hey. Ain't no sunshine. Ain't no sunshine. Ain't no sunshine. Ain't no sunshine. Anytime, 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 anytime. Yo. Another one. Check it. Man, come on and roll with me. And another one to come on and roll with me. Another one to come on and roll with me. Yeah. Check it. Man, I just woke up, thank God it's Friday. Fire up the light and hit the highway. Pulled in the car wash so they can hit the white raw tires. Sedan to me, sitting on LA wires. And it's gotta be 80 degrees. I got a chick in my pocket for 15 G's. Get the first in the state, now I'm straight. I stop at the record store to pick me up an old school tank. Back in my ride, I see the spin of the tires. This kid bras rolling, pumping dirt, doing the fire. It feels good holding 15 grand. I parked the sedan, I strode in the Greenspan. Give me a pair with your 50-30. Cascade Cortez, a jet black hoodie, and I headed back home. Got G'd up, boom. It's an east side rendezvous. And all my ladies singing, you can know me. Ladies, come on and roll with me. Yeah, it's like them gangsters do. It's like them gangsters do. The ladies, come on and roll with me. Yeah, hey, come on and roll with me. And another one to come on and roll with me. Yeah, it's like them gangsters do. It's like them gangsters do. Yeah. Check it. Life is all about choices. You make the right ones, you roll around in white Rolls Royces. And so I make my choices. But I sleep good at night and I don't listen to the voices. Look at this fool rolling around on the 10th Street, smoking that shit I brought in on a Penske up to Chula Vista in the East Los. Switching trucks, take it out to the East Coast. I got a potent scanner with 200 channels. 200 birds wrapped up in the quarter panels. Got them wrapped up in fabric sheet. And it smells so sweet when it hits the street. And my money so green when it gets to me. I'm a dope man, baby, that's my legacy. Out in Jersey, I can get 27 a key. Pick them up for 18, now that's some currency. Dope man credo. try cocaine? Listen, I chop them up big, I line them up long. Fuck right or wrong, homie, this is my song. I just ride on. I'm so guilty. Got the feet scraping bags and the scales tilted. My empire, homeboy, I built it. Life is a rose, but the petals get wilted. I spent 65% of my profit on infrared cameras and fiber optics. 1.5 last year, full topic. I sleep good at night, cameras watching my product. And narcotics are stashed up in the attic and addicts. Watch my back with automatics. Fuck around, homie, get wrapped up in plastic. The dope game's drama, so I'ma get drastic. I hit a bump in the road, but I move past it. Don't make the wrong moves in the game, I move caskets. Yo, man, Credo. Yo, we started that a long time ago. When I did this, when I was a kid, no one gave a about me. Got my first, and my parents used to doubt me. I got my first job, working for the man who kicked it on the corner. See, I made my first grand. Now I'm straight banking, paying all the bills. My mama asked me who the where my raza at? Where my raza at? Where my raza at? Where my raza at? Make some noise! This is for the what? 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 This is for the raza. Get down, so. Chicano, and I'm brown and proud. 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 Chicano, what? I can show it against some kid bros. You saw it heavy if I'm throwing against the big boss. My brother's loaded, it's full of violence. I'll put it in your face and you won't say nada. Box is trouble, call switching him. Say we are assassins, the children, time to kill. It's in my blood to be an Aztec warrior. Go to any street, hold on 7, Chicano, what? One, I can't sleep on a six kid down. Right now, in the dirt. I'm with my homeboys, my touch from camaradas. Take it back, no me caga y pa' mí no diga nada. Yo soy chingón, dice, like I'm a bone, dice. Con toda todo, so don't never try to sweat me. Some of you don't know what's happening in Pasa. It's not for you anyway, why? That's right. This is for the raza. Where my raza at? Where my raza at? Where my raza? This is for the what? 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 And this is for the raza. Where my raza at? The thing I'm thinking is no escalo. Y sabes que loco, yo soy muy malo. Tú no sabes nada, your brain is hollow and hit in the head. Many times with a follow. See you trying to act cool, but you should know. You're so cool that I'ma call you disappearing. You can't get none ever. Why? Your own body is the back to us. They just look at your ass. So I look at our last and take a 5 times. Screaming loud this time. Come on. Viva la raza! This is for the raza. Where my raza at? Where my raza at? Where my raza at? When I say viva, you say la raza. Viva! And I was cruising in the calle, headed for the Rolo. No one to go with me, so I had to go solo. And when I go out alone, I pack. I just with the chavalas when I know that I'm strapped, man. Every time that I pack my piece, pull it out quick and all the nonsense will cease. Like a song when you're 18 with a bullet, got my finger on the trigger and I'm not afraid to pull it. If it gets out of hand, I know some of my folks when the put some zip, too stupid to my also. Since there we know what's happening in Pasa. Know why, man? Because I love my raza. This for the raza, for my raza, for my raza, for my raza. When I say viva, you say la raza, viva! I love y'all, man, thank you. Yeah. What up, y'all? Man, thank y'all, man. Thanks, Vatos Y Viclas, Suavecito, Tripp, Beto, everybody, man. Everybody. everybody that took part and contributed to bringing us out here, man. We love y'all. Hopefully we can do it again next year, man. We love y'all.
My name is Nailisi, and I'm here with Carlos Mendoza at the Colorado Motorcycle Exhibit. And I'm here with my mom, and at our stand we're selling Carlos's paintings and some shirts. So please, next time we have a motorcycle event, please come visit the Denver Motorcycle Exhibit. Thank you.
I'm the owner of Vicla Dolls out here at the Colorado Motorcycle Expo 2023, showcasing my new designs for 2023. Been doing this startup for about 2 years. This is my design for 2023. This is the Mala Mujeres Vicla Dolls, custom designed by Tough Designs. Come out and see us. We're having a good time out here.
Hey, my name is Joshua. This is my wife Sonia. We're with Boulevard Clothing out of Colorado Springs, Colorado. And we carry a line of clothing from Lowrider, DGA, Dice One, some OGA, and soon to hopefully come out, we'll be coming out with our own line too as well. If you're not here today, you guys should have came out, man. You guys are missing an awesome show. Really nice to come out and visit with all the other vendors and people that own bikes and cars, you know, that they brought out for this event. But guys, get a chance. I know it's Sunday. Come out to the Colorado Springs, or not the Colorado Springs, but the Denver Motorcycle Expo, and look forward to seeing you. And don't forget, like us on Facebook at Boulevard Clothing, and you can link to our website and shop from there. Have a good afternoon.
Hi guys, welcome to the Colorado Expo, the motorcycle event. We're here with Viclas and Customs, bringing this all to you guys here. Just trying to really support the Chicano movement, support the Viclas, and support, of course, our Lowrider brand and our Lowrider movement. Come on out, guys. We'd really like to see you here. Come and enjoy it. Going to be a beautiful Sunday fun day right here at the Expo, and we'd really like you guys to come out and really see, check out our whole brand, check out the whole Vicla experience, and see everything that we brought to Denver, Colorado.
Hi, my name is Kathy Jojoa. I'm out of Isleta, New Mexico, south of Albuquerque. I enjoyed coming to the Colorado Expo show. This is my first time here, and it was a blast. This is something that I will look forward to in the future. I'm excited and can't wait to see what the opportunity has in store for me.
Hey, my name is Bruce. We out here at the Denver Motorcycle Expo, having a good ass time. Really nice stuff out here. Come on out next year.